So what's up guys, today I'll be unboxing the Hornet Stealth Gaming headset. So right here it shows that it is actually the headset itself in real life. So it's a multi-format gaming headset for Xbox One, PS4, PC, Nintendo Switch, mobile and tablet, which means it's a multi-format headset. So here's at the box. On the side it shows the Hornet logo, and here is the headset in yellow. On the side too, the same. It shows the same things that I showed on your boxes on the other side. And yeah, it says stealth, as it should normally do. On the back, here's what you get. So on the back, you get a soft touch plastic, soft touch surface which you get on this headset. You get mic mute, you get dial control, you also get a flexible mic, and you get padded headband, yeah. So that's what you get all about inside this headset. So right here, I've got my X-Acto knife out. Just let me get it real quick. Alright, here we are. So we're about to open it up. Take that little piece of tape away. And here we go. Let's open it up. So here it is. The headset itself. I'll be doing ASMR unboxing probs. We should even do that anyways. Right, here we are opening it itself. Going nice to flex on my watch back there. You see that I've got that Rolex. Right, here we go. We got the Hornet headset out. So we quickly pull it out because it's really hard to get out because the boy realizes. Okay, here we go. It's out. So here's the headset itself. There's plastic covering. We got a headset. We got the dial control on the back. So we'll take the cable off. Okay, we go. Now spin it all around. The head should like pop out. Yeah, the headset popping out. Oops, I think I got the mic cable. We'll get that later. There's the headset itself. It's in soft touch plastic. The air cushioning doesn't feel that great. It's not like that comfortable. It's like really hard, and it feels like it will warm up real quickly. The soft touch plastic is actually really nice to feel. It feels really quality. I didn't mention this, but the headband is also pretty cheap feeling, but as many steps into measuring how much you want it. Right, let me go get my mic because I just dropped it. Wait a sec. There we go. So here's the mic. Just plug it in here. The mic pit. Everyone should know where it is. Even the 2-year-old should know where to plug this mic in. And there we go. It's a bending flexible mic. So here it is. Right in the middle, I'm about to show some close-ups of the mic, so hopefully you like it. Alright, that's it for the video. See you guys.